This is what it's all about. And once you made them, wear them. But look, several stations right now, all busy.
Ale to nie wkłada się tak, bo panu wszystko odpadnie, tylko tak i po kolei.
Aha, na kolei.
I po kolei i w jedną stronę. W jedną stronę.
Very
tak.
cool.
Tak.
Is this? Beautiful, 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 beautiful. Unfortunately, Nina is traveling this weekend. My Wianki maker-in-chief. She's really good at making them, you know. Beautiful. Me, no skills. But look, wow. They do a competition, I think, later this afternoon. Judge the best ones. The level is high.
Yeah.
Later today, they throw them in the river. You make them and you throw them in the river. Now I don't know why. What time do you throw them in the river? Today? Tonight. Okay. Oh, beautiful, really beautiful. Thank you so much. Wow. You know, every weekend there's just something going on in Krakow, and it's never the same stuff. Always something different. Whether it's dragons or marching bands, parades, just always cool stuff going on. And you know what? It's free. Multi-sponsors of this event, I think, so public are getting to do it for free. And then you pose for your picture. $50 zloty. Already made. 30 zloty. 75 zloty. Yeah, last year Nina bought one and she made me a grass one. Hello. Wow. And there's more. Isn't it marvelous?
Jam ci światu nie wiązała, zawiązał ci go ksiądz. Jam cię tylko pokochała, tyś mnie nie musiał wziąć. Jam cię tylko pokochała, tyś mnie nie musiał wziąć.
Well, how about that? That was great timing. Okay, Wianki making still in full flow. You know what I can't bring you is the floral smell. It's lovely.
Ale ładne wianeczki.
Smell.
O proszę, no u mnie tak samo, nie? Jeszcze w porządku.
That was pretty spectacular. That's a good one. These have all got numbers on them, so I wonder if these are in the competition. Look at that. Looks like a bunch of judges. It's the competition?
Yeah.
Ah, so all the numbers are people to be judged, yes?
Yeah.
And when do you have a winner?
In 20 minutes?
At 6 p.m.
Yeah.
At 6 p.m. Down here. Okay. There's one. This one's the winner. I decide.
Yeah, maybe.
That's a good one.
It's pretty, yeah.
Exclusive problem, right?
Dobbiamo fare la ghirlanda pure noi. No, noi vogliamo fare.
Is she gonna do it? Is she gonna do it? Is she gonna do it? Come on. Come on. Yay! Now the concert's getting going. That'll go on all night. A little bit further down the river, we've got activities. Oh, why are you doing it that way? Do it this way. Exactly, do it this way, do it this way.
Gałązka odpadła. Temu Wianki.
They recycle. They recycle.
To tu musi być niezły posad. Albo wielka uroda.
They recycle them and dry them.
Czyja jest panna, którą wyłowiłem? Czyją pannę wyłowiłem?
What better way to watch the sun go down for the shortest night of the year and the best terrace in Kraków. It's got a 300-degree view, the whole skyline. We might not see a full sunset because it's a bit cloudy, unfortunately. But what I love about our terrace is that we can watch the sunsets and we can watch the sunrise as the sun rises. If I can get up at 3:30 a.m. or 4 o'clock, it'll be over Wawel Castle, that direction. We'll see. I can hear the music that we showed from the concert on the river down by Wawel, and I think that's the last we're going to see of the sun. But hey, if that's the worst we see, it ain't bad. Oh, I made it. I got up. And I was wrong about, I thought the sun would come up over Wawel, but no, not even over Old Town. It's gonna be there. And there we go. Sunrise. Right on the minute. 4:32 a.m. Good morning. Morning, Kraków. Oh, I really should do this more often. Wow. Just wow. And the pigeons seem very happy about it.